time investigation topic, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be looking at the relationship between our heart rate, our pulse, and the amount of exercise that we do. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to find yourself a nice space where you can easily reach around yourself, where you're not going to knock into anything, okay? So I've found this nice space in my living room, but you can easily use your garden, your bedroom, whatever it is that you have that you can use. So in that nice space, you're going to sit yourself down and you're going to time for a minute, just sat down, okay? And what this is going to do is this is going to allow our heart rate to return to its resting rate, okay? Because before this you might have had PE or something, so it might have made your heart rate a little bit faster. So we're going to allow our heart rate to return to its resting rate by just sitting still for a minute, okay? And during that time, what you can do is you can just make sure that you know what you're going to be doing for the next steps of our investigation. So once you've been sat down for a minute, what you need to do is you need to find your pulse. So there's two places you can find it. You could either find it on your wrist or you can find it in your neck, okay? And for a proper video on how to find your pulse, watch the other YouTube link that your teacher has sent you. So you're going to find your pulse then and you're going to time it. Again, use your stop clock, 30 seconds. You're going to count how fast your pulse is. So, 2, 3. Okay, so my pulse is coming out to be roughly 1 beat per second, okay? But you might find that yours is a little bit faster or a little bit slower, depending on basically your age and things like how much exercise you do will change your pulse, okay? So what I then do, so I've timed it 30 seconds and come out at about 30 beats. I'm going to then times that by 2 to get my beats per minute. So I do my 30 times 2 and get 60, and that is my resting heart rate, okay? So what we're going to do now then is we're going to do some exercise. We're going to do some exercise for about a minute, okay? So you can have a look at the ideas list that is on the method for different things that you can do. And it's completely up to you what kind of exercise you want to do depending on how much space you've got, okay? So I'm just going to do some jumping jacks for a minute. So you get your stop clock ready, start it, and then you're going to start to do your exercise. Now the more effort you put into your exercise, the better your experiment will be. So if you don't put very much effort in, you won't see very much change. But if you put more effort in, then you'll find there's more change and you will get some better results, okay? At the same time, you need to think about your fitness and your health. If you have something like asthma, you need to be more careful when you're doing an exercise that you do not cause yourself any exhaustion or cause something like an asthma attack. So you're going to do your exercise for a minute. I've been going for just over 30 seconds now. And then when your minute ends, you're going to need to take your pulse rate as fast as possible. So you need to think about where your hands are going to need to be to take your pulse rate. Okay, so we're going to take our pulse rate there. So we're going to sit down to do that. And we're not going to carry on exercising whilst we do it. And again, we're going to do it for 30 seconds. So my minute is now up. I'm going to sit down and take my pulse rate. And you should find it's a little bit faster. You might want to ask a friend or a family member to help you with this bit. Okay, and then stop your stop clock, and again, so you've done 30 seconds worth of taking your pulse, you need to times that number by 2. So this time, I got about 40 beats, so I'll times it by 2, and that's about 80 beats, okay? And that'll be what you write down in your table. Then you're going to do it again for different amounts of time exercising. We're going to see if it changes overall. So good luck and have fun, guys.